In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if AnyDesk is disconnected in just a few seconds. This is a very simple check, but it's important if you use AnyDesk for remote support, screen sharing, or accessing another computer from home or the office. If AnyDesk is disconnected, it means the app is not currently connected to the AnyDesk network, so you may not be able to start or receive remote sessions until it reconnects. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the AnyDesk application on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, or by searching for AnyDesk in the Start menu if you're on Windows. Once the application opens, you'll want to look at the top left corner of the AnyDesk window. This is where AnyDesk shows its connection status, and it gives you a quick visual sign of whether the app is online or disconnected. If AnyDesk is disconnected, you will see a red light icon in that top left area. That red indicator is your first clue that the network connection is not active. In many cases, you'll also see a message that says something like disconnected from the AnyDesk network. That message confirms that the app is not connected properly, so remote access features may not work until the connection is restored. If you see that red light and the disconnected message, don't worry right away. It may be caused by a temporary internet issue, firewall restriction, or the application needing a moment to reconnect. You can wait a few seconds and watch the icon again. If it stays red, you may want to check your internet connection, restart AnyDesk, or make sure the app is allowed through your security settings. This is the fastest way to tell whether AnyDesk is disconnected without digging through menus or settings. Just open the app, check the top left corner, and look for the red icon and the disconnected message. That's all you need to confirm the status. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple troubleshooting guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.